Our hair is amazing because it has important biological functions. It insulates and protects us and is often fundamental in how we express our personalities to the world around us. It also has a life of its own, and just like the rest of our body, it ages. Here is more about the aging process of hair, showing the different stages that every hair goes through and how your hair changes over the years. Hair starts its life in small structures in the skin known as follicles. Each follicle produces only a single hair at a time, which then undergoes 3 phases in its life cycle: growth, termination, and rest. In the growth phase, known as anagen, cells at the root rapidly divide, growing into a hair shaft, usually at a rate of about a ½ inch a month. The length of this phase is genetically determined and can be anywhere between 2 and 7 years. As the hair grows up and out through the skin's surface, melanin pigment granules are produced by cells known as melanocytes, giving the hair its natural color. Oily matter produced by small sebaceous glands in the skin also coats the hair strand, which adds to its natural shine, smoothness, and water-repelling properties. The anagen phase is then followed by a short transitional phase known as catagen, lasting between 2 and 4 weeks. It signals the end of active hair growth, with the hair cut off from the blood and cell supply that produces new hair. The hair then enters its final stage in the follicle, the telogen phase. Here, the hair root is effectively dead and at rest. The hair is pushed out of the scalp and eventually shed. It is normal for a healthy scalp to shed up to 100 hairs daily. Once the hair is shed, then the follicle re-enters a new growth stage. As our hair repeatedly goes through these cycles, age starts to take its toll. The hair growth starts to slow down as the anagen phase shortens. The melanocytes become less active and hair turns gray. Oil production also reduces, causing drier and duller hair. The follicles progressively shrink and hair starts to grow thinner and weaker. Eventually, some of the follicles stop producing hair altogether, making hair once so full appear thin and flat. Unilever has developed specialized solutions that make aging hair look fuller, softer, and smoother, and looking youthful throughout the years.